Good evening everybody, welcome back to One Stop Tutorials. My name is Ali Baba, and in this tutorial we're going to be going over the basics of the slice tool. Okay, the slice tool is here. It's this tool here on the left. Simply hover down, you have the slice tool and you have the slice select tool. We're going to go over the slice tool to start with. Now what we want to do is we want to cut this image up into 3 pieces so that we will then eventually be able to put it on a website or do what we want to do with it. Okay. Now the slice tool is very easy to use. It's a drag and drop sort of basis. So you simply drag over the section you want. So let's say to there and let go, and that makes us a section. We then have to do exactly the same with the number 2. Okay, and you notice it snaps. It's got that snap to it. And then we do exactly the same to number 3. Okay, so now we have 3 selections. We have number 1, number 2, and number 3. It'll be going that way. Right. Now we have the slice select tool. Okay. Now the slice select tool basically means you can add stuff to this. You can, for one, you can make it bigger. Okay, with that you'd have to drag this one down. You drag this down. So you can make this smaller, this area bigger. All you have to do is click on it, drag it, and then you'd have to drag these two, drag that one to hit that, and you really notice the snap, boom, boom. Okay, so that's how you do it. In fact, this one we want to bring it higher. Okay, that's one thing that it allows us to do. The other thing it allows us to do is add some data inside each one of these. So simply with the area that you want, double click, double left click, and it brings up this panel. Now this panel, this is the name it's chosen. It's chosen this name because my file is called slice.psd, and obviously it's the number 1, and this is number 1. You can change this if you want. You can put whatever name you want in it. You can add an URL or a website address. So you could, let's just sorry, I got I got Thai script written on my computer at the moment. Let's just add a website, www.yoursite.com. Okay, a target means that you can choose that when they click on this website link, do you want it to open in a new page, the same page? You can then make a message text. So this is what the viewer will see while in the browser, and then you can add an alt tag which gives the effect of what you're seeing at the moment. Species specifies alternative text for browser. Okay, this is the size of it, 332, and the height is 140. Okay, and this one you have the image or no image, and I'll show you what that one is on the next one. So that's the information we've put into that, so you can hit OK, and then you can do the same in this. So say for example, click here to subscribe. Say we didn't want that we decide we don't want. You simply double click on it. We're now going to choose no image. Okay, and it's going to ask us what text we want to put here, and we're going to put, hey guys and girls. Okay, and again, this is the size, this is the height. Now as we've taken this text out of this image, we need to replace it with a color, a background color. So we're going to choose other, and we're going to choose our own color, and that is black. Okay, here are the other options. You could have chosen black or white, matte, but I just wanted to show you this so you can, if it was red, you could choose red. I mean, it's just good for you to see. And again, hit OK. And that is the basics of using the slice tools. Now slice tools are great for, let's say you make a PSD, a Photoshop file template, web template, and we wanted to cut it up and then we wanted to move it over to a program like Dreamweaver. Well, this is a great tool. I am going to do a video tutorial on this, on how to make your own template in Photoshop, cut it up, and then import it, send it over to Dreamweaver to start building your website. That will come in a bit later on. I just wanted to quickly show you how to use this tool. It's pretty basic stuff, and like I say, we'll get into it more later on. Okay everybody, subscribe to my YouTube or leave your comments below, and take it easy, and if you've got any questions, please let me know. Catch you later.